Good morning. Come here, Ace. Let's see what. There you go. Good boy. This is Ace, and I'm Randy. I'm standing on the mountain development we have over here in Newport, Tennessee, and I've got a few announcements to make for everybody. Yes, I know it. I know it. This is a beautiful morning. I swear, it's just like, what is this, August 3rd, August 4th in 2024. Hey, want to offer and make this big announcement that we are going to have an open house on the mountain and Buffalo Creek for the people that have bought homes and invested in this property. We are going to have an open house for the next 2 Saturdays from 9 to noon. So wherever you're at, if you want to come in here and you want to come and you want to talk and you want to walk around this place and you want to see what we've been doing, you want to see the progress, I want to show you. It's been a long time waiting. We've been waiting a long time to get this thing going. And I know there's a lot of people sitting on pins and needles. We got some homes in storage over here. You guys can come, we'll walk through some of the homes. I'm gonna show you the mountain. We're gonna walk up on the top, drive around if you will. Some people, if you can't walk around, but I wanna be here and I wanna be transparent about all that's happening on this mountain, show you our mountain of river rock that we have. Everything you've been watching on the videos, you guys come on and see us. Now, after the 2 Saturdays, if we need more time for more people to come and visit, we'll open some more Saturdays in September. I know we got Labor Day weekend. A lot of people want to go somewhere else, but we'll postpone it on that. We'll come back, doing a couple more Saturdays until we're done here, until everybody gets a chance to come and visit. You may not want to, you may be fine. Hey, Randy, whenever you get done, I'm okay. But there have been some people, and I'm sure they're just like, oh my God, I just want to see it. I want to see it. I've been expecting it for a long time. I'm really tough on myself. You know, I look at things, and I'm like, man, I wish things were done like that. That's why I like tiny homes. They're easy, they're quick to build. That's why I got into tiny homes. I used to build big log cabins and it would take months to build. And I thought, wow, these tiny homes are so much quicker to build, and it gives you that, you know, that a sense of accomplishment so much quicker. So if you guys want to come here and you want to see the mountain, set it the next couple Saturdays, come and see me, all right? I am going to be physically here myself. You can talk to me, you can ask me any question. You can see the progress. You can ask me questions about why it's taken so long, how long it's going to take more. We'll look at your lot. If you got questions about how your house, be a great time to say, hey, Randy, how do you want to put my house? You want to put it in frontwards, backwards? You want the deck on this side, that side? You want a storage, maybe a shed? What are we going to do? What's going to happen here, right? I think it's going to be great. I'm looking forward to meeting everybody over these next couple Saturdays. And like I said, we will extend it over into September. After August, because you know Labor Day will be coming up towards the end of the month, and then a lot of people want to have vacations with their families. After that, we'll open up the house again. Now, second announcement that I'd like to say is that if you are looking for a lot on the mountain and you missed out, we have more lots. That's right. Isn't that crazy? We have lots that we can offer you. Also, the different types of homes you want on here. All of our model homes are available on these lots, and also we can build a custom home. Is that not awesome? The reason is we're offering it is because we have some skilled carpenters that are now on our staff, and we also have our Amish that we have trained so awesome that they have been building these custom homes now for a couple, 3 years, or the model homes for a couple, 3 years, and now that they want to branch out. They said they feel comfortable enough to go out into some custom homes. Now we'll have blueprints, we got to have some things, but that opens up to this mountain. Look how beautiful this is. Now this is just a lane that we have down here to the main road. But there's some lots back up here on the mountain, and if you guys want to come here, we'll walk. I'll show you the ones that are available, and if you want a custom home, I'll design it for you. I'll say, hey, here, we can put glass here, a whole glass wall, or I can put whatever. I love designing them. Also, now that's the second thing, right? So we got opening up on Saturdays. We have lots that's available that you can put a custom home on it or one of our model homes, and we'll price all that out for you. The third thing is, on these lots, if you will, I can put a foundational stick-built home on here. So if you want us to dig footers and build you a regular size home, like, you know, we're building these smaller homes over here at Southern Heights, like a 500, 600 square foot home, 2-story and all that, I will make those lots available for you so you can get a loan against them. You can, what I mean is because this is all deeded as one set property, I will lease you that property for 100 years. That's right. You can take this land. I'll give you a 100-year lease, and you'll be able to have the land to be transferable. You build a tiny home, you build a small home, a foundation home, whatever you have on that thing, you can actually sell it and make a profit. This place and those mountains and this county is going to go up in value. It already has. I bought this land for $1,500 an acre. It is selling raw land right now for $15,000 an acre. We've just improved these lots, this property, and put these lots on here. Water, power, sewer, roads, private gate community right here in Cobb County. It is going to do nothing but grow in value. So if you put a foundational home here and you get a 100-year lease, I can't sell you and give you a deeded lot here, right? Because it's like an RV park. But I can give you a 100-year lease transferable to the next person if you want to sell it for $500,000. That's up to you, and you get to keep it all. That's available. So that's the third thing. The fourth thing that I'd like to announce, and go to info at Incredible Tiny Homes for any of these questions you may have. Say, I just seen Randy in this crazy video. He's offering this. I want that option, I want to come and see someone. I want to come and see him on a Saturday. Let us know if you're coming. I want some RSVPs, if you will. Let us know you're coming, because if nobody's going to be here, I'm going to head out somewhere on Saturday morning, all right? But I want to be here and talk to everybody. The fourth thing that I would like to offer you guys is that we will build any home from any competitor across the United States, and it's got to have a legitimate quote of materials, labor, so okay, we will beat that price. So if you want to go to Tumbleweed, or if you want to go to Timbercraft, or if you want to go to California Tiny Homes, or you want to go over here to Liberty, or I don't even know some of these guys. What is it, Wind River down in Chattanooga? All you guys, I don't care. You give me their quote, I'll beat it by thousands. Thousands. I'll build it, beat it. Now that means at least, what? I'll build it for at least $2,000 less. When I say thousands, that means plural, right? More than 1,000? Exactly. If not more. So you let me know if you have a home that you want built and you've been waiting. Now, you can say, oh yeah, Randy's going to wait. It's going to take a year to get to it. Oh no, I'll tell you what, I'll even put a time frame on it. We have builders that can start building. I'll give you one right now. If I sell one right here today off of this video, I'll guarantee I get it to you in 90 days. All right? Any competitor's home, I'll get it to you in 90 days. We'll have it built and delivered. Think about it. If you save $2,000 to $5,000 from us building a competitor's home, and it would be apples for apples, studs, wiring, windows, doors, windows, exactly what they were going to build. We'll build it and build it cheaper. You can save it. You can save that money and apply it to your delivery. So wherever you want to put it. All right? So let us know if that's intriguing to you. I love competition, everybody. I love it, and I say bring it on. That's why I built the Incredibox, because I thought, you know what? There's nobody in this country going to build a house for $20,000, $25,000, and we're doing it. We're still building it. And the reason I don't really advertise the Incredibox right now, or the American Dream, and we're still building them, is that we had a big backlog. We sold a couple hundred of those homes, and we're trying to get them all done. We won't be done until the end of the year. And I don't want to sell more of those, because it's just going to put further back. And it gets frustrating when I don't want to be 6, 8, 10 months out. So we're finishing up all of our homes on our agenda. And then I've got some really great ideas for 2025. Stay tuned to these videos. I've got some really cool, just some ideas that I think you're going to really love. It's going to be a 1, 2, and 3 bedroom tiny home. Exactly. So those are the 4 things that I want to share in this video today, is that we have an open house right here on the mountain. If you guys, only for the people that have invested in the mountain, you guys can come right here. You can see me, talk to me, ask me any questions. You can scream at me. You can yell at me. You can be mad at me. You can be happy. You can shake my hand. You can hug me, and we can walk and we can talk. All right? So I'm going to have it at least for the next 2 Saturdays from 9 to noon. Give us an RSVP. Let us know that you're going to come. Second one is we do have mountain lots here. If you want a mountain lot and you want one of our model homes, you can have a model home built here. If you want a custom home built on a lot here, we can do that for you. And if you want a foundation home on a lot here, we'll give you a 100-year lease, right? A 100-year lease, transferable, so you can sell that home to anybody else. And as the price of land goes up, and of course the last thing is, we're going to build any home, from any competitor across the United States, and we're going to beat their price by thousands of dollars. I don't care. Even local builders that are here, if there are any, in this local area, Knoxville, Chattanooga, Oklahoma, California. I don't care where you guys are from, I will beat your price. Isn't that something else? It hit me the other night. I was laying in bed and I thought, wait a minute. Well, it's kind of like everything's went quiet because we're waiting on the election and everybody's like, oh, is the world going to come to an end? I was like, stop. It always happens like that every 4 years, right? Everybody's like, oh, we got to wait. Stop. Listen, we got to keep going. And the prices of homes are so skyrocketing. And we're not. I haven't raised any prices on our model homes, anything. If anything, I've lowered the prices because now we're coming out with an all wood Amanda, all wood Birmingham, Lexington, Dalton, even our Woody line. And don't forget our beautiful container homes. So we have some lots on the mountain. Take all these 4 ideas, spin around in your head. If it's something you guys have been looking for a tiny home, now's the time to do it. And I will put a guaranteed time frame when you're going to get these homes. So if you want a custom home on this mountain lot, I'll guarantee you a time frame, or I'll pay you something. All right, we'll make it worth your while. I will be reprimanded if I don't get it to you in time. And I haven't thought about it, but I'm going to do it. That's one thing. I want to tell you something that we've said we would do. I never give time frames because the weather, look at this. We've been a couple years, 3 years on this mountain. It's awful. But when it comes to money, I've never come back and said, hey, it's going to cost you more. I made a mistake on quoting the price, or the labor went up, or the materials went up. I've never, even when COVID hit and all the materials went up, I never said, hey, by the way, we're losing money here. Never have, and I never will. So when it comes time to say, hey, I can get you this home and I can have it on that lot ready for you at this quoted time, I'll guarantee it, all right? And if I can't, we'll make a financial retribution that I will pay you back something. You guys will get something just to make it worth your while and hurt me, all right? It gives me motivation to get. I don't need that as motivation. My motivation is I just said, I want to get this thing done, and I said I would. So that's what we do. When I first started this company, Tom and I, we gave people their quotes that people said they had to have their homes, right? I got to have my home, Randy. It has to be on this lot at a certain time. I cannot tell you how many times that I've stayed up, and Tom and Joseph, building homes, and we had not slept for over 40 hours. I mean, talking straight work. Get up that morning at 5 or 6, work all day, work all night, work all day again into the evening and getting that house out. And I think we tried to count it up. I think we did it 22 times. And that was because we promised people that we would have their home in their driveway or on the road. And a lot of times I delivered the homes, or Lucas delivered the homes, or of course, Matt delivered our homes for us too, and still does. So it's been a long ride getting here. And the reason we got away from custom homes is because it is hard to make a living on custom homes. Every home is different. It takes longer. You can't judge how long you're going to be on a home. And there's so many little intricacies that you have to do by people wanting perfect things. Not perfect. They want custom items, right, in their home. And to read your mind and my mind, anyway, we did it for 7 years and built hundreds of them. I'm introducing this back in a limited time and a limited amount of builds. We do not build custom homes anymore, but we do have builders that are custom home builders. I've got one here. We've got the Amish that have about 3-4 builders up there. And I've got a dear friend in Detroit, Michigan, that we will ship all the materials to him. He has been a contractor. I've known him since I was a kid. He's available to build homes now. I'm so looking forward to this. And we will ship that home directly to wherever you're at. This is exciting. I love being able to combine my friends, my associates, different craftsmen from all over the country in helping everybody get a job. They can build homes, the Amish can build homes, we can build homes, you guys need homes, and I'll beat anybody's price in the country. How's that? Hands down, apples for apples, transparency. We'll take pictures, we'll take videos, and we'll give you a definite time frame when we're going to get it to you. If not, we'll give you a free delivery. How's that? All right? So, there you have it. I'm Randy Jones. This is Ace. We're on the mountain. Hope you like this video. Give us an RSVP if you want to come see me, right? And I will be here from 9 to noon for the next 2 Saturdays. And then we're going to probably skip two Saturdays because of the holidays or what's coming up. And then we'll come back again in September, and we may do the whole month of September. So give us a call, give us an email at info@incredibletinyhomes.com if you're interested in wanting to come see me. And then after September, and after we get everybody that has saturated and wanted to be here, then I'm going to open up a forum that I'll be available on Tiny Town, or I may set up right here. And I'm going to be open to any questioning that anybody has. So if you have concerns, you have compliments, you have gripes, you have complaints, you have just questions, or you might want to just say, hey, Randy, I want to see you, I want to talk to you, I want to just shake your hand. All right, I'm going to be available. I'm going to continue to be available in the future. You know, it's busy when, you know, we're running all these developments, and, you know, of course I call it spinning plates. I get like 20 different plates spinning all the time. But I'm going to dedicate my time to you all and be available. I didn't know that I don't know. I didn't know people wanted to talk to me, I guess is really what it was. You want your home, you want your lot, and done. But I've been told that people would love to be able to talk to me, and I thought, you know what? I'd love to do that. There's been a lot of things go on in social media, in regular media, about tiny homes and zoning and what's going on here with the community. And, you know, I'm here as an open book, and I'll tell you everything. All right, everybody, hope you enjoy this video. Ace and I are going to pack this up. It is a beautiful Saturday in East Tennessee.